Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this really fun dramatic cut crease. I've been really enjoying these more dramatic eyeliner kind of looks, and you know, just having fun with the colors and just playing around what they can do. So if you guys just want to do that with me and see how to get this look, then just please keep on watching. Alrighty, to just jump right in because there are going to be a lot of different colors used. I kind of want to hurry up and just do this video a little quicker just because, like I said, there's so many different colors. So we are sticking to a one palette again, which I love these kind of videos. Let me know if you guys do as well, because it's just easier. You don't have to scramble around looking for all these different things. But anyways, I'm going to be using one of which maybe might be my favoriteest palette right now is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I know it's been seen around a lot or things like that, but I do love it, and I'm not gonna not use it because I use it a lot. But I do try using other palettes, but I just love this one. So anyways, what we are going into is this yellow one. We are going into Creamsicle, so we're just getting a blending brush again. And honestly, you guys, for this year I have not been setting my lid, and I really am enjoying it. So I probably am not going to be setting my lid for a very long time, so just an FYI. So anyways, going in here, and we are going to do this as the transition shade. So we're just going to throw this and blend it out. Alrighty, so the second shade we are going to go into is Hunts, and we're getting a more flatter blending brush, and we are going to literally put this right under it, but you can definitely still see the yellow. And then going back into the first brush we did and going back into Creamsicle, I'm just blending this all out. Third shade we are going into is Jax, and we are going to pick up a little bit of this, and we are going to put that right in the crease area. Going back into the brush we did with Hunts, picking up a little bit more and just throwing that right back and blending these two colors together. Okay, and so for this part, I'm going to go ahead and just do this off camera. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and then we'll come back to throw the other shade on there. Okay, so now that is already cut. This isn't perfect, but that's fine right now because we're going to go over that in different shade. So right now I am going into the shade Royalty, and we're going to set this all over our lid. Okay, so the next shade we're going into is Queen, and it's that gold shade, but again, it's just throwing that all in the crease. I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera as well, and then we'll come back to finish the rest, but I'm just going to hurry up and speed through this. So all these colors are basically repetitive, so what I'm going to go into Royalty, which was that really pretty purple, and we are going to throw this all under our lash line, and I'm extending that part out just for now. And then I'm also going to mix all the colors that we put in above our crease all together, which was Creamsicle, Hunt, and Jax, and we are going to really smoke this out. Okay, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and do my liner and mascara, and then we'll come back to really finish up the eye to know where I want to do our placements. Alrighty, so my eyeliner and mascara are done. So to go ahead and finish this, I am going into another Stila's Liquid Metal Shadow, and I'm going into Gold Goddess, and I'm going to throw this in the center before I could finish up my eyeliner. And while I'm letting that dry, to go ahead and do the highlight of my brow, I am just going into Light and Beam, which are the two lightest shades in the palette, and I'm going to mix those very lightly. And I'm going to throw this all under the brow. And also for my liner, it is black right now, but I am going into Crayon Apple, which is that shade, and I'm going to press that all along my line, waterline. I'm going to actually do that off camera because it's kind of hard to hold those together. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up my liner because the eyeshadow dried a little easier for me to do that. And for lips, I'm just again gonna just do a nude lip, nothing special. Same liner that I always use, the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, because these are by far my favorite lip liner, and they're affordable and they just have amazing shades and they just go on super nicely. So I'm just going to line my lips. Okay, and to top that, I am going in with my NYX Abu Dhabi Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I'm going to go ahead and throw that on top. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and it was really fun for me to do, and I really hope you guys had fun watching this. If you guys want to see more looks like these, the more dramatic, smokier, brighter colored, you know, dramatic eyeliner look, just let me know down in the comments below, or just any looks that you guys want to know, want to see, just let me know. But yeah, if you like this, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, but only if you want to. But yeah, so with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.